Bike check. Stock fit VH2 frame. Yes, I know it's gonna break on me. I've been told before. Primo Strand V2 forks. United Mothership bars. Fit DLD stem upside down because I'm cool like that. Wheels are Alienation 7-up rims sprayed black. Laced to Demolition Bulimia V2 hub in the front. And Primo mix in the back. And it sounds pretty damn good. And pegs. Shadow Little Ones. Best pegs ever. If you ride any others, I will laugh at you. Just a random headset. They're all kind of the same. Stolen Thermalite pedals. Primo hollow bite cranks with an Odyssey bottom bracket. Got a Shadow Crank and Bones sprocket. I'm gonna spray paint it on one side because my friend's an idiot and doesn't know how to paint shit. KMC drop buster chain. And Demolition Machete tires. And Eclat Torch seat post cut down a little bit with an Odyssey senior seat. And for a helmet, I use a ProTech Bucky. And it's pretty good. The padding fits really well. It's pretty strong too. But yeah, that's about it. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll bang your mom later. Yeah.